Something strange is happening on Amazon right now. A watch that doesn't just tell time, but changes the entire mood of a room. A desk that turns a clutter into calm in seconds. A tiny system that grows plants indoors while you basically do nothing. These aren't gimmicks. They're the exact products people can't stop buying in 2026. And once you see why, you'll understand the hype. Every link is right there in the description below, so grab whatever catches your eye. Stick around, because the last gadget on this list is always the one that changes everyone's mind. Mini pen drill. Some tools just make you want to start building the moment they're in your hand. This mini pen-style drill from AM Aeromax is made for precision work, where steady control matters more than raw power. It's compact and lightweight, letting you drill smoothly into resin, wood, plastic, aluminum, or delicate electronic parts without tiring your hand out. It comes with 5 adjustable speeds, so you can match the tool to whatever material you're working with, along with LED lighting for better visibility and a small screen that shows your current settings in real time. Inside the box, you'll find a set of 10 small, durable drill bits and a quick change system that saves you time between switches. The built-in battery recharges through USB-C and lasts long enough for extended creative sessions. Everything packs neatly into a sleek aluminum case that keeps every piece organized and protected. It's precise, portable, and clearly designed with hobbyists and detail work in mind. Price: $48.97. Smart Biometric Safe. This biometric safe isn't just about locking away your important stuff. It's built to earn a spot in your daily routine. You can unlock it with your fingerprint, a PIN code, or a backup key, so you're never stuck outside your own safe. On top, it doubles as a wireless charging pad for your phone and smartwatch, cutting down on cable clutter and keeping your essentials in one tidy spot. The LED display shows the time, temperature, humidity, battery level, and lock status, and it stays readable even in the dark. There's a built-in interior light to help you spot small items instantly, plus a silent mode for opening it without any noise. Its compact size means it slides easily onto a nightstand, into a drawer, or onto a desk without taking over the space. You can grab it for $19.99. Magnetic pickup tool. Some tools you never think you need until they solve a problem in seconds flat. This magnetic pickup tool from Divoom is built to reach screws, nuts, and small metal parts that fall into places you can't reach with your hands. The telescoping design extends easily, and the flexible neck lets you angle it however you need. It also includes a powerful built-in LED light to brighten up dark corners. It's perfect for garages, cars, or the depths of a messy drawer. Both the tip and the base carry strong magnets for a solid grip, while the lightweight aluminum body keeps it durable without adding bulk. It comes with batteries already installed and a clip so you can carry it in your pocket or toolbox. It's simple, clever, and the kind of tool you end up being grateful for constantly. Price: $14.99. Digital wall clock. Checking the time changes completely when the display is big, bright, and easy to read from anywhere in the space. This 13.7-inch digital wall clock is built for classrooms, living rooms, or workspaces where visibility really matters. It can sit on a wall or a desk and offers 11 display colors along with several nightlight modes to match your room's vibe. Brightness adjusts automatically based on the light in the room, so it won't blind you at night or fade out during the day. It comes with a dual alarm with snooze, both a countdown and count-up timer, and a remote control so you don't have to walk over to change settings. It also displays temperature and automatically adjusts for daylight saving time. It's functional, modern, and adds a decorative touch without being obnoxious about it. Grab it for $29.99. Divoom Times Gate. This Divoom Skate digital clock turns any desk into a statement piece with real personality. The limited yellow edition leans hard into a cyberpunk look, combining 5-color LED panels that display crisp animations and pixel art.
Everything is controlled through an app where you can design your own animations, customize layouts, or pick from thousands of community-made pixel art pieces. Beyond the aesthetics, it also works as a real-time info hub, showing weather, notifications, and other useful data without interrupting whatever you're doing. Its compact size fits perfectly into gaming setups, creative offices, or any space where your tech doubles as decor. It's a balanced mix of function, digital art, and personality, made for people who appreciate the little details done well. Price $10.99.
BIB Gifts for Men. Small gifts have a funny way of becoming everyday essentials, and this BIB Multitool pen is a perfect example. It packs 9 functions into one compact object that fits easily in a pocket or bag. It works as a rotating pen, a ruler, a flathead and Phillips screwdriver, an LED flashlight, a stylus for touchscreens, and even a bottle opener that doubles as a phone stand. Made from sturdy aluminum, it's built for everyday use at home, in the office, or on quick jobs around the house. It comes with 3 extra black ink refills and arrives in a nicely presented gift box, ready to hand off without any extra effort on your part. You can get it for just $9.99. Electric shoe dryer. Slipping back into shoes that aren't damp or smelly makes a bigger difference in your day than you'd expect. This shoe dryer from Dr. Prepare uses steady warm air circulation to eliminate sweat, moisture, and built-up odor, even after a rainy commute or an intense workout. It works with work boots, sneakers, athletic shoes, and even gloves, socks, or helmets. The heat spreads evenly for a quick drive. It won't damage the materials. It also includes a smart timer so you can adjust drying time based on footwear type and save on energy use. You can pick one up for $27.99. Ceiling fan cleaner. Cleaning high fans and hard-to-reach corners stops being a hassle once you don't have to climb a ladder to do it. This extendable ceiling fan cleaner is built to reach elevated areas and tight spaces with total ease. Its flexible head wraps around fan blades and traps dust instead of scattering it, while the long handle lets you clean from the floor with full control and stability. It comes with reusable attachments that also work on walls, trim, blinds, windows, and under furniture or appliances. The microfiber and chenille pads are washable, easy to swap out, and safe on different surfaces without scratching them. It's a versatile tool that cuts down on time, effort, and awkward movements during cleaning, solving several jobs with a single system. You can get it for $26.99. Rechargeable LED flashlights. Sometimes ordinary light just isn't enough. These rechargeable LED flashlights are built for moments when you need real power. Whether you're at home, outdoors, or dealing with an unexpected emergency, they put out an intensely bright beam with an adjustable focus, letting you flood a wide area or zoom in on something far away. They include several lighting modes, including a side light with emergency signal options, making them useful for camping, hiking, or power outages. The rechargeable battery delivers hours of continuous use, and a charge indicator means no surprises when you need it most. A rugged aluminum body and waterproof protection let you use them in the rain or in rough conditions without worry. They come in a 2-pack, ready to go whenever you need them. Price $29.99. Desktop whiteboard. Jotting something down quickly without opening your laptop or burying your desk with sticky notes completely changes the way you work. This TSJ Office desktop whiteboard sits right between your keyboard and monitor, tilted slightly for comfortable writing and reading. The tempered glass surface writes smoothly and erases without leaving ghost marks, so it always looks clean. It includes a hidden drawer for storing markers and small accessories, plus a top tray where you can rest your phone or a small notebook. It comes with markers and an eraser included, ready to use straight out of the box. It works as an organizer, a stand, and a visual space for ideas, to-dos, or daily reminders, helping you stay focused without the clutter. You can grab it for $25.99. Foldable walking pad. Sitting for hours on end takes a toll on your body, and that's exactly where this walking pad naturally slots into a daily routine. It folds completely in half, taking up far less space and sliding easily under a desk, bed, or couch with zero setup required. Its clean design with an aluminum frame feels solid and understated, blending well into home offices and smaller spaces. The belt is wider than average, giving you a more stable, comfortable stride while you walk and work at the same time. Speed adjusts to match different paces, from a slow stroll to a brisker walk, all while running quietly enough that it won't distract you or interrupt a call. It's a simple way to move more throughout the day without changing your environment or your schedule. You can get it for $329. Strength training machine. Working out at home no longer means making do with a scattered pile of equipment. The Expedience Gym Monster turns any space into a high-level smart gym, combining strength training and cardio in a single station. Its digital dual-motor weight system fine-tunes resistance with precision, helping you train every muscle group in a balanced way. A built-in touchscreen guides your workouts with visual programs, classes, and dynamic modes that make training feel more intuitive and motivating. It supports multiple training styles, from free lifting to guided routines to ski-style cardio work. The whole thing is vertical, compact, and ready to use right out of the box, with no assembly or complicated setup required. It's a complete solution for anyone chasing consistency, variety, and real results without ever leaving the house. It's a bigger investment at $2,298.98, but it genuinely replaces a full gym setup. Hydroponic growing system. Having a garden at home no longer depends on the weather or how much free time you have. The LED Pod LPH Max Hydroponic Growing System automates watering and plant nutrition, controlling everything through smart sensors and a Wi-Fi connected app. You just add the pods, choose your crop type, and the system handles the rest. A 36-watt grow light mimics sunlight and speeds up plant development, letting you harvest much faster year-round. From the app, you can adjust schedules and light intensity, get alerts, and track growth progress. The water tank offers extended runtime, and the sturdy build is made to last. You can pick it up for $190.79. Voyeur Electric Body Brush. Reaching your back and exfoliating without straining is something most manual brushes just never quite solve. This Voyeur electric body brush handles it for you thanks to automatic 360-degree rotation that cleans deeply without any real effort on your part. It comes with 4 interchangeable heads for exfoliating, massaging, gentle cleansing, or tackling tougher areas like the feet. The long, non-slip handle lets you reach tricky spots even in the shower. It's rechargeable, waterproof, and simple to operate with a single button, with 2 intensity levels to suit different skin types. It turns your daily routine into a more thorough, practical ritual, leaving skin clean and refreshed. You can grab it for $25.48. Rechargeable book lamp. Reading at night without flooding the whole room with light completely changes the experience. This Grit reading light clips onto a book or e-reader and directs light exactly where you need it without bothering anyone nearby. It offers 3 color temperatures and continuous dimming, so you can fine-tune brightness to match the time of day. The light stays steady with no flickering or glare, designed to protect your eyes even during long reading sessions. Its flexible neck lets you angle the light however you like, and the rechargeable battery offers long runtime with clear charge indicators. It's lightweight, portable, and can also stand on its own on a surface when you'd rather go hands-free. You can get it for $9.99.